In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Nintendo Switch from start to finish. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work for the original Switch and the Switch 2, as well as any of those original Switch variations. But inside your box, you're going to have a few different things, and it may vary slightly, but you're going to have a Switch screen, which is the console itself, 2 Joy-Cons, the dock, an HDMI cable, and a power adapter. Start by looking at the console. You're going to notice that on the bottom, you're going to have a USB-C charging port, a kickstand on the back with a micro SD card slot underneath that kickstand, and up at the top, you're going to have a power button, volume buttons, headphone jack, and a game card slot. To attach your Joy-Cons, just line them up on the rails of each side of the console, slide them down from the top, you'll hear a click when they lock into place. On the Switch 2, it's kind of like magnetic, so if you hover them close, they'll kind of snap into place. The right Joy-Con on the Switch 1 is usually like a reddish orange color. It goes on the right side, and the left Joy-Con goes on the left, and it's usually a blue color, but that may vary depending on your Joy-Cons. But essentially, go ahead and hold down on the power button on the top of the console for a few seconds, and you'll see the Switch logo appear. Go ahead and select your language, choose your region, review the next information, hit next a few times. You can use the joystick, the A button, the B button, or the touchscreen in this option. Your Switch is then going to search for available networks. Obviously, go ahead and select your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and then you'll be asked if you want to connect to a TV. You could set this up now or choose later. To do that, you'll have to use the dock itself, but it's going to give you a lot of setup stuff. You're going to be asked to, create a new user, choose an icon, nickname, all that kind of stuff, link a Nintendo account, which is optional, but I would recommend doing it. And of course, you're going to have parental controls if you'd like to set it up. But whenever you do all of that kind of like basic setup stuff, you just have to press the home button and you'll be able to see all your game icons once installed, Nintendo Switch Online, different kind of news icons, the eShop, the albums, the controller tab right here, system settings all the way over in the end, and of course, sleep mode right here. But that is it. Your Switch is now going to be fully set up and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.